Hello, dear students, it's me Shakil Khan. Students, in today's video, you will learn about the use of has have as a verb. Basically, has have is a verb, it means to keep something. Let's see how to make sentences by using has have as a verb in the present tense. स्टूडेंट्स आज की क्लास में आप सीखेंगे हैज़ हैव का इस्तेमाल बतौर एक वर्ब। हैज़ हैव बेसिकली एक वर्ब है जिसके माने हैं रखना। आइए देखते हैं हैज़ हैव का फार्मूला क्या है और हैज़ हैव को बतौर वर्ब इस्तेमाल करते हुए जुमले किस तरह बनाए जाते हैं। Students, the formula for has have is subject plus has slash have plus object. Students, इसके पहचान उर्दू में हमारे पास है रखना। कोई भी ऐसा जुमला जिसमें किसी चीज़ के रखने की बात की जाए उसके लिए हम इंग्लिश में हैज़ हैव इस्तेमाल करते हैं। Let's see how to make sentences by using has have as a verb. Sirs, the first sentence which I have is I have a new car. मेरे पास एक नई गाड़ी है। I do not have a new car. मेरे पास एक नई गाड़ी नहीं है। Do I have a new car? क्या मेरे पास एक नई गाड़ी है। He has new clothes for Eid. उसके पास ईद के लिए नए कपड़े हैं। He does not have new clothes for Eid. उसके पास ईद के लिए नए कपड़े नहीं हैं। Does he have new clothes for Eid? क्या उसके पास ईद के लिए नए कपड़े हैं। Students, one thing which is very important to remember that with third person singular subjects we always use has as a verb. With the rest of all subjects we use have as a verb. But when we change the sentence as negative, if you are using have as a verb, you put only do not before have. As I wrote the first sentence, I have a new car, then for negative, I wrote I do not have a new car. For interrogative, I wrote do I have a new car. For has, I wrote he has new clothes for Eid. But when I changed it into negative sentence, I put does not. After using does not, I changed has into have. I wrote he does not have new clothes for Eid. For interrogative, I wrote does he have new clothes for Eid. This is the way to make sentences as negative and interrogative. Don't forget it. Do you have home to live? क्या तुम्हारे पास रहने के लिए घर है। We have an old iPhone. हमारे पास एक पुराना आईफोन है। Ali does not have bicycle to go to school. अली के पास स्कूल जाने के लिए साइकिल नहीं है। I don't have money in my pocket. मेरी जेब में पैसे नहीं हैं। Does the tailor have sewing machine to sew clothes? क्या दर्जी के पास कपड़े सिलाई करने के लिए सिलाई मशीन है। हसन does not have pen to write a letter. हसन के पास ख़त लिखने के लिए पेन नहीं है। The poor do not have food to eat. गरीबों के पास खाने के लिए खुराक नहीं है। The teacher has a new lesson to teach us today. मुअल्लिम साहब के पास हमें पढ़ाने के लिए आज एक नया सबक है। Since it was all about the use of has have as a verb. I hope you have understood how to use has have as a verb. If you have any question, you can write your questions in the comment box. Inshallah, I will always be willing to answer of all your questions. So keep on learning English with Indus English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.